We might be mildly tism.
I'll be doing the same.
Mildly.
Because I'm not.
I'm 4.
You never played this?
Not until recent. I literally played like 10 games earlier.
We're gonna have to.
And I got my ass kicked.
You're also naked.
Yeah.
Let's go! Oh, fuck, I didn't have any stamina.
Orange man.
Orange man.
If y'all see the head, let me know.
You are so orange.
I am very orange.
Very orange.
I'm just an anime
I'm not
character.
orange, it's just tan. It's just a good tan.
I am.
I get.
I think I'm trying to be
It's
elegant.
better than my fanboy hooter.
From like the 80s.
What?
Get
oh,
down,
come on.
Skadoodle.
Skid-
Ah!
Skadoodle, skadoodle, you're
I'm a
next.
lethal wand wielder.
What?
I cast fireball.
Ooh,
I catch
rock.
an eye on something.
Cosmos.
Oh, the. Can you please break it? Can you?
Bam!
I need to break it.
Box.
You're screaming. Oh my gosh, the box.
It's a happy screen.
I got a really expensive unicorn
Oh.
horn. Woohoo!
Dang.
I fucking love that.
Oh wait, Sam, you're blue. You're blue.
I'm what?
Wait, what was it? You're teal, like you're fully colored.
What the Tom and Jerry was that? Oh, it's that thing! Run!
It really isn't that big of a deal, y'all.
We gotta skedaddle.
Kill.
Are you freaking serious? Are you fucking serious?
Oh, I got Tyler killed.
Tyler!
Get the box out of here. Oh,
Are you serious right now?
Y'all are making
She
a
knocked out
lot
the
of
child.
noise.
Bye, Felicia.
No, you broke a potion, you fool!
No. Oh my gosh. I
I'm
will
not that kind of a
take.
semi-bot.
Yes.
Who's all dead?
Tyler.
grab Tyler's head.
Hi, Tyler. I got you, buddy.
Is he still there? Oh my gosh. Really?
Oh yeah! No! I didn't think he could just kick me.
You know, first time I played this, a giant fucking
I didn't think he
shy
could.
guy SCP.
Wait, Tyler, is that you?
I didn't know I could be drop kicked.
You can be drop kicked.
Nope. Damn.
I saw that.
It did not go according to plan.
Nope.
Yeah,
Nice.
Send it to Tyler
might-
so
you
he
might
can send
be
it to me
sliding.
because my only view of that was the door opening, the laser pointer coming through and just zapping Tyler.
It is zapping.
That was the
Or
I saw
hit
was
me a mock.
zapping.
Jesus.
I just saw
I
the
got-
laser, that's all I saw.
I tried to hide under a table and got drop kicked into a pit.
Oof.
Oh, I got a coin.
A frying pan. Oh wait, we got the coin. Yeah. Do it. Okay.
What do I get?
Let's go gambling.
I spy.
Leg left.
Tyler, you know what?
Oh, that's so quite nice.
I got a weird looking leg.
Guys, okay. Wait, Orange.
Yes.
What's your name?
Onic.
How'd you not die?
Onic?
Yes.
Okay,
I
Onic,
guess my
go
hell
here.
divers 50-50 carried over.
Yeah, shit.
Use your
You
coin.
don't
Use your
deserve
coin.
that.
Use the coin. Alright.
Let's go gambling.
Uh-oh.
How did you miss?
Wait, what did you?
I got a fucking eyelid.
So I'm gonna teach you a magic trick, Onic. Onic, come here. I'm
boy.
gonna teach you a magic
Yes.
trick.
Okay.
So, you see it's live, right? You can
Yes.
I will
just...
do mine. Who died? Wait, what
Just
did you
chuck it.
Yeah, bloody
Two-
wear
two-
bottom?
Two
What
people
the
died
heck?
because Tyler slapped somebody in the face with a landmine.
Oh, tiny head.
Onic, come here.
Oh fuck. Are you? Bruh. Double kill!
What?
I
Ah!
get
fuck!
this thing straight back from the toilet.
What?
I need a... Yeah.
Need a hand
Mountain
in?
climbing.
What's in here? Oh, hello. Ooh, I found a box.
I just realized Tyler, I just realized that there's still those
The
cracks,
box.
Another
Oh my
tape.
gosh, the box. I got
found a big box.
still cracks in my...
There's a bug. What the
a
fuck
bug.
is that?
Which bug?
Why is there a bug? What's the bug?
That's a
There's
tank.
not a
Don't
box.
pick up anything around it.
Oh my gosh, oh. Stay away from this bug.
Oh.
Nope.
Uh-oh. No!
Oh, someone's dead.
Noah, stop running!
Get it on! Get it on! Hit the button!
Ryan. Kill it!
Should I employ the...
Kill it!
On the
Jump
ball.
on it! Jump on it!
Oh my gosh.
Okay, you guys have fun.
Bro, why is it just... Why is it
You
so...
guys have fun over there.
If someone
I'm gonna
dies,
go-
I'm employing the grenade strategy.
Come on.
Break, you bastard!
Die!
Should have bought...
Oh, there goes
Wrong
Noah.
person! Don't die! Oh shit.
Are you fucking serious?
Oh,
Oh,
the grenade!
Oh my god. Just kill
No!
the tick. It's not that difficult.
I was just trying to pick it up and just like slam it into the ground. That seems to work.
oh my gosh.
No, it dies with like one hit. You have
Oh.
to jump
But it's
and-
hard to hit it. Oh,
Oh.
there he goes.
I think
Oh,
that's
no.
only two of us.
Uh-oh.
Okay, well, let's politely just grab this head.
I tried to arm my grenade bundle.
But like,
and it
not
just
only
slapped
that
the
head, we
grenade
also
on
need
me.
to get out ahead. There are a couple of things here. Oh, there's another tree. Fuck.
Hey, there's another tree. Breaks the tree.
Accidentally, my bad, my bad.
Accident. Yeah, we'll just say.
Accidentally.
It was, what's one of the names?
Yo.
Oh, I dropped the tree.
Yeah, you dropped the tree.
Hi!
Hi, Devin.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm about to disappear into the
We're
sky.
not done.
I know.
I want to get more. Oh, there's another head.
Uh-oh. Bye-bye.
Bye. We're definitely gonna need more.
Yeah.
Hello.
Welcome back. Yeah, we definitely.
Mr. President, where are we going?
Colonel, trying to sneak around. But I'm dummy thick. And the clap of my ass keeps alerting the guards.
Oil. Big old oil thing. 10 grand. Perfect.
Oh, last time I've been in a room like this has been just like cold.
Anybody seen my hand grenade bundle?
Okay.
Valeria picked it up.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
you broke something. Ow.
I just beat him upside the head with a videotape.
Yep. Give me a nice.
Oh,
No,
shit.
no, 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 no,
No, no, no, no. Forgot this thing was 10 grand. We're just gonna set you up next to it.
I got smacked in the face with a tree.
What's with the
Damn.
trees?
Banzai.
Banzai.
First, it's the tree being broken, and then I.
Oh no!
Wait, we got two.
Ran her through with a stapler.
You ran him through with a stapler?
Oh my
You're not-
gosh.
Hands and ran through the
That's what the run with sharp objects?
I didn't know I could do that. Where's Tyler and where's my stapler now?
Hey, Orange, come here.
You're not supposed to run with sharp objects.
It wasn't sharp. It's a blunt stapler.
I don't know.
It off.
Oh my
It's
gosh, okay.
rounded off. Not my fault.
Who needs some pills?
What the fuck?
Damn, those must have been pretty
Karma.
expensive pills.
Hey, dealer,
killing
give me
with?
something that'll pack
What did I get killed with?
A container of pills.
Bro, really said, use those pills, make sure you take them and blew up.
No, I didn't know I could damage you
Bro,
running into a
get out.
into you with a stapler.
Get out of the
Well, it's like
get out of the extraction point.
He's going to get some.
Okay, okay, never mind.
Oh,
That's his-
hi.
I'm so sorry.
Back to the
Run,
truck.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
Run!
You know what? I will give you so much.
Knife fighting!
Just don't hold anything the tick won't try to fuck you in the ass.
Help me! Help me!
Oh, I think.
Shit.
Are we good to go? There's only 3. Shouldn't there? Yeah, I am seeing a very lacking.
Hello?
Well, Quinn's missing an ass, so.
Just run! Where's your head?
Oh,
And Sam died, so
Yeah.
they can't pick up her body.
Run.
Where are you?
Oh, hit the button! Hit the button to take cover! Hit the button to take cover!
deploying slackers. Destroying slackers.
I found her. I found her. Oh no. I won't be able to get.
Just click.
It's okay, Valeria. Thank you.
Help me!
Ah! Bye!
There is no helping. Only death.
Bro, I found them only when you press the button. What the heck?
Like fucking screaming a war cry, nab Sam's body or I turned the corner and here comes Noah with a fucking sword hands chasing him.
Oh. I do not want a friend. Get this thing on me.
Thank you.
No,
Bless you.
You're welcome.
Alright.
Hi, bro.
Would be another good idea.
Oh, guys, run. It's Big Red.
Run.
Someone
Big
died.
guy.
In a box.
Going on a trip in my favorite car. Coming through the...
Michael.
Well. Have the extraction open. Can't drag me through walls, fucker.
I feel like someone died.
You good?
Oh, you're alive. Okay, let's go. Let's get out. Let's get Let's get out. Let's get out. Let's get out. Let's
I
get out.
have no stamina, and I have fun health. Oh,
Oh.
fun.
What are you going to do with me? What are you going to do?
Oh, we should have healed you beforehand.
It just
Couldn't see
rolls
fucking
away.
shit, could we?
Oh fuck.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
the fucking oh shit.
What?
Come here.
I literally got kabooied.
Kaboot.
Tunnel.
Tunnel. Ooh.
Ooh,
Let's
what
go
does
look
this
for prison.
do?
No.
Bruh. Oh fuck.
Ow! What is with you guys blowing me up? Owie!
That's not me. That's Tyler. Talk about it.
I can't stop Tyler. I've
Oh
tried.
shit! No!
Yeah.
No!
Open the
Let
door.
us out!
Oh no.
Ah! Why am I being abducted?
What the heck is this happening?
No, put the door back.
The sentry robot is molesting me.
Why is it grabbing me? I
I
didn't
don't know, it
do
just grabbed
anything.
me.
Wait.
You did the most things!
I got blown up by a bear trap this time.
I don't think that's how bear
I just-
traps are meant to function.
Yeah,
I
no,
just
the guy
slowly
walked up to
drug
me.
it. I just slowly drug it.
I don't think that's a
into
bear
the thing.
trap.
No.
That's
I
just a
literally
bomb.
smacked it
No.
into your head.
Guys, I found a giant milk carton.
A milk
Found a
carton.
what?
A giant milk carton.
Oh, I remember this.
Milk. He did some milk.
I think you mean milk.
No, you mean
new-
leche.
Hold on. Organic new milk.
It is
Looks
milk.
Pretty organic.
I will get the card.
Yeah, bring the cart.
This ain't fitting in the car.
All right, then we'll put it in your prison pocket. Bend over.
Yeah, I'm not Tyler. Mine's not that stretched.
Huh?
Bend over. This is going in your prison pocket.
Oh.
Possessed by a ghost.
Ah!
Wait, Onic, you will call
Oh.
it. Oh my gosh. Put it here.
Oh.
Okay.
I was half tempted to sell.
Oh.
Stop picking it up! Stop!
Oh.
Can we nuke him? Who
Let
else
it
nuke?
go!
Let's nuke this man.
It's not me.
I'm trying-
It's not me.
Someone else let go!
Shoot?
It's Noah.
Let me migrate this milk.
I have a shoe.
Migrate the milk.
He needs some milk.
Give him some milk,
okay.
y'all. Not no water. Water will fuck him up.
Let's go straight to the construction. To
Egg.
the
Not a big fucking egg.
Be careful with the
These
egg.
are two retards.
Oh.
Let's go to the...
Tyler, wrong way. Hang on. Yell at them not to put it in.
Oh. Big thing. Big worm.
Honestly, I thought it was a fucking turd from Taco Bell when I looked at it.
Honestly. Okay, if you want to help me get this up to the top of the stairs here.
Yep.
You still
Yep.
working on the turd?
Yeah, I've been slowly moving it by myself up until when Valeria got here.
We thought you were dead.
No, I was chilling.
No, she's not.
I
Wait,
haven't.
wait, it's stuck a little bit here. Let's go like this.
There we
Yeah.
go.
There we go. All right, so they have like I don't know how much.
I
I think
fooled him.
This thing's
Chris
only worth 9,
Turd and-
so.
All good.
Yeah,
I
no,
okay.
fooled him.
Rotate it.
I didn't
Honestly,
see anyone.
surprised we haven't.
I haven't seen
we haven't
anything.
Seen any fucking monsters. Yeah, it's like weird.
Oh my god.
It's concerning. Okay, there is something about 9 grand in there, so if we're ready to put it in, then put it in, but otherwise put it to the side.
The freaking baby took like 9 grand
The
away
fuck is
from
that?
us because it
Oh yeah.
awfully groovy.
Don't put it on the thing yet.
The
Where's
baby
card?
took a bunch of money from us because it threw the
What baby?
money bag. The little baby that throws items.
Oh.
Oops.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't worry. Oh, hi, darling.
Hello.
Don't.
Oh, you guys came out of
don't do
there.
that.
You'll live. You'll live. Don't worry.
No, down
Just-
there.
Don't worry, bro. We'll catch you.
Hang on. Player it. Shut up.
Oh,
We'll catch you, bro.
no, what?
Hey, do y'all have any money down there?
Yes.
How much is down there?
A lot.
I mean, no, don't risk it, don't risk it.
Who's trying to jump to get the grenade?
Tyler.
Tyler, you're not getting the grenade. I've already put it away. Fucked up or something?
I feel like we're supposed to be.
Broken hobbits a looped and fog. Okay.
Child,
Baby,
dog.
run!
Just don't touch the duck.
The devilish, what?
Oh, shit!
What? Oh my god!
Watch out.
Run, Tyler, or spin. Touch the duck. You touch the duck.
Okay, piss off the duck.
Oh, she's in the ship.
You blew me up. You took half my head.
Sorry.
Hell, you can speak!
We have still yet to get a blicky.
Ooh,
What? Where's...
I got a hat.
That's
You got
42K!
a
You got
hat?
a hat?
No, you also...
Still waiting for them to fucking
No, you're also not naked.
to fuck with people.
Yeah, that's crazy.
No!
Tyler, why are you always getting the feminine stuff?
Someone's gonna become a fanboy.
I mean, his character was.
Ooh.
Hey, I got a tie.
You feel, bro?
Oh my
Hey, bro.
god, look at Tyler! Look at
Oh
Tyler!
my gosh!
You look like an angry 6-year-old girl.
Don't die.
This is fucking looking
He's
at
got
Tyler!
eyelash.
Oh my god!
I'm starting to believe he's thinking of me.
How many grenades do you have?
How many grenades do you have, sir?
No, what the fuck? Where'd you come from?
The other way.
No, my precious. Yes.
Oh,
Run,
Clown-
run,
clown-
run,
clown
run,
guy,
run,
clown
run,
guy.
run. Oh, fuck.
what's that?
There's more. I don't know what that is.
Anyways, there's things here.
I have a
Is he
$70,000 TV. Yes, he's very much
The
for you.
clown survived the cluster bomb, by the way, and I dropped right at its feet.
Hey, don't try. Don't try. Don't try. You're gonna push the.
Wait, how do we not know they're not dead?
There's a map player count page, but I haven't. But I really wanna. But I really wish I could get it.
Yeah.
Okay,
One.
let's go.
Get him in here. He'll come back to life.
Oh,
Are you back to life?
Yeah.
yes,
He's
he's
back
back
to
to life.
Yay!
Oh.
Oh my gosh! Yes, map player count a bit.
Awesome.
4!
Oh, perfect. Yeah, get the baseball bat. Get the
Oh.
baseball bat.
Baseball. Get the freaking baseball here. Noah,
You're worse than the Irish
we knock
Fox.
monsters. We knock monsters. No, you knock yourself. Put it there. Put it there. Tayo. Put it there.
Man's worse than the Irish Hawk. I swear.
Tayo ka rin Ezra. Put it there.
4! Hang on.
Hey, you're schema-
Let me get it ready. You gotta tap it a couple times, right? And then you go, tweet!
Ano? Tyler.
Gwen, look what I figured out. Put it down, put it back
Bro,
down,
just
put it back
roll.
down. Put the landmine down,
What's that
please.
behind me?
Put
I figured out a combo. Oh!
Tyler.